Perplexity Pro versus Claude, which AI assistant wins. Choosing the right AI assistant can transform how you get accurate answers and creative support without wasting time on unreliable responses. Both offer unique strengths for different needs. Perplexity Pro and Claude are advanced AI assistants designed to help with research and communication. The core difference lies in Perplexity Pro's focus on real-time web data and Claude's emphasis on safe, nuanced conversation and creativity. Perplexity Pro is an AI assistant that integrates live internet search with AI-generated responses, providing up-to-date information alongside concise summaries. It works by combining a powerful language model with web access, allowing it to pull in current facts and data. This makes it especially strong for users who need timely, accurate answers supported by real-world sources. Its strengths include fast retrieval of verified information and the ability to cite sources directly, which enhances trustworthiness. However, because it relies on live data, it can occasionally surface inconsistent or incomplete answers if web content is unclear. Perplexity Pro is ideal for professionals, researchers, and anyone who prioritizes real-time accuracy and transparency in their AI system. Claude is an AI assistant developed with safety and natural dialogue in mind. It excels at understanding complex instructions, providing thoughtful, context-aware responses, and maintaining a friendly conversational tone. Claude is built to be a helpful collaborator for brainstorming, writing, and problem-solving, with a strong focus on ethical AI use and minimizing harmful outputs. While it does not access live web data, Claude's training on diverse datasets allows it to generate creative, well-rounded answers. Its limitations include less up-to-the-minute accuracy compared to AI with web access, making it less suitable for breaking news or rapidly changing information. Claude is best suited for users who want a reliable, safe assistant for creative tasks, long-form writing, or nuanced conversations without the need for constant internet updates. Comparing Perplexity Pro and Claude highlights a trade-off between real-time accuracy and conversational depth. Perplexity Pro shines when you need current facts or quick research with source citations, making it perfect for fact-checking or data-driven tasks. Claude, on the other hand, offers a more natural, thoughtful dialogue experience, ideal for creative projects or sensitive conversations where tone and nuance matter. If you require an AI assistant to keep up with fast-changing information, Perplexity Pro is the better choice. But if you prioritize safety, ethical considerations, and richer interaction, Claude stands out. Both have limitations. Perplexity Pro can struggle with incomplete web data, while Claude lacks live updates. Your choice depends on whether you value up-to-date information or conversational quality more. Choose Perplexity Pro if you need fast, accurate answers with live data and source transparency, especially for research and fact-based tasks. Opt for Claude if you want a safe, creative AI assistant that excels in nuanced conversations and writing support without relying on the internet. Both AI assistants serve distinct purposes, so select the one that best fits your workflow and priorities.